Hi, I'm Jenkins from wellbeing, and we provide interpersonal skills training. I want to talk to you a bit today about our workshop that we've got coming up in February called Managing Change in a Post-COVID World. And I just want to talk to you a bit about the different topics that we're going to cover. So in that workshop, you can find out about understanding the impact of COVID on your organisation, supporting and preparing for impending change and how you manage those teams, and also looking at styles. So when I say styles, I'm talking about leadership styles. And interpersonal skills will come into play in all of these different areas. So if this is something you're interested in, then we'd look forward to seeing you join us on the 4th of February. Thanks very much.